First step is to create the account on make.com. You can access this from link in the description. In my case, I already have. I just sign in. You can create from here. Create new scenario. Here I will import from here. Import blueprint. This. That's nice again. Save. Now you can select your account here. Everything is then save from. Now here you can put automation. You can change your brand name here, your name here, and your link here for promotion. Put save. Nothing change here, nothing change here. You just select account here. Put save. Now we will test it. Now check we will apply. This is fully personalized email. You can use this in your business.